Welcome prospective students and families, TMLA administration, and faculty. I am here today to share my TMLA journey with you. Let's roll back the clock to 10 years ago when I first visited Mary Lewis as a shy 7th grader from Holy Trinity in Whitestone. From the very moment that I first walked up these stairs from the main entrance, I knew that there was something so special and unique about this school. And later, I would fully learn that there certainly was. This feeling made it clear to me that TMLA's mission of unity, reconciliation, and all-inclusive love was truly alive and well in the community and complemented its cutting-edge academic programs, outstanding faculty, wide variety of extracurriculars, and endless opportunities. I remember enjoying TMLA Science Club and our newspaper, The Mary L, starting as a staff writer and then eventually growing into my role as editor-in-chief. This was my very first leadership role. I had to be the voice of our classmates and our staff writers. While this was a difficult task for a reserved and quiet student such as myself, it enabled me to develop a sense of confidence along with an ability to work well with others. Through the support of our team members and faculty moderators, I learned that striving together for a common goal is a key ingredient for success. In my senior year at TMLA, I also joined robotics. This was something that I never thought of becoming a part of until my physics teacher thought I might be interested. My positive experiences, both inside and outside the classroom, were a pivotal point for when I would later choose my college major. TMLA honed my love for science into a passion for physics and engineering. However, TMLA fosters students' interests not only in science, but in all disciplines, such as economics, English, history, or the fine arts. Balancing rigorous coursework with extracurriculars at TMLA nurtured me academically, socially, and personally, teaching me innumerable lessons which still serve me well today. I distinctly remember National Honor Society moderator and English Department chairperson, Mrs. McGrath, reading Dr. Seuss's "Oh, the Places You Will Go" to my classmates and me on one of the final days of senior year. She told us that Mary Lewis women are unique. They never say no, and they embrace every opportunity and challenge that comes their way. They work together as leaders to create change for the future. They are passionate and use their voices for the common good of others. TMLA graduates carry this legacy wherever life takes them. This philosophy laid the foundation for my life after Mary Lewis, as I carried these powerful words that were used to describe a TMLA woman with me throughout college and adopting this sentiment into my personal mantra. The confidence, resilience, and courage that TMLA instilled in me during my very formative years allowed me to pursue engineering, physics, and math at Fordham University, traditional fields where women are underrepresented. Persevering through many trials and tribulations, I was awarded the Claire Booth Scholarship, presented to women in STEM fields who aim to attend graduate school, teach, and conduct research. The scholarship allowed me to work on a project designing 3D printed prosthetics, and the research led to a paper titled Engineering for Humanity, where I'm the only female author. In fact, this past spring, I was one of 8 women to graduate with a Bachelor's of Science in Engineering Physics, where I received my degree cum laude. Remembering the extracurriculars that I participated in TMLA, fostering my interest in service, I knew that I was called to use my gifts to work for and with others long term. Currently, I am a master's student at Hofstra University, studying to become a medical physicist, which will allow me to collaborate with the patient's healthcare team and apply mathematical and physical concepts in the radiation medicine clinic. I am also a faculty member at Hofstra, instructing introductory labs, and I'm currently working on a research project at Memorial Sloan Kettering, where my colleagues and I are using technology and innovation in the fight against cancer. Today, TMLA students are fortunate enough to continue their own mission of service by exploring a wide variety of interests through our leadership programs and homeroom initiatives. I will always remember the large impact that the Mary Lewis Academy continues to have in my life, especially in times of great joy, such as presenting my research at a conference, teaching students, or even sharing my story with you today. During the difficult moments, TMLA provides me the strength and poise to rise. This extraordinarily rich and diverse community is not only united and filled with love, but is home to a network of thousands of phenomenal TMLA graduates. Attending Mary Lewis will make you a member of our family forever. The Mary Lewis Academy has made me the person I am today, and holds a very special place in my heart. I am extremely grateful to my parents for their support in allowing me to attend TMLA, and I hope that those of you sitting in the auditorium today will someday hold the Mary Luce Academy near and dear to your hearts as well. Thank you, and good luck.